Less time, more accuracy. Less effort, more efficiency. Less hassle, more transparency. The new transformed image of Income Tax Department, because income tax return filing has become simpler now. It used to be a tedious and complex task earlier, but not anymore. A transformation which is incontestable. Income Tax Department partners the larger community in nation building and inclusive growth. Progressive tax policies, effective and efficient administration seek to encourage the voluntary compliance. By paying income tax, the taxpayers directly become a part of the Indian economic growth story. Taxpayers, by paying taxes, will directly contribute to the gross domestic product, the GDP growth of our country. On the other side, Income Tax Department brought in a system leveraging cutting-edge technology that has assured a revolution in the delivery of quality services. But the past was completely different. To pay their taxes, the taxpayer has to visit banks and to physically fill up complicated bank challans. Handling voluminous paper, tedious statements was a humongous task. Filing returns also involved multiple annexure and long queues to submit the forms. Verification of tax claims was manual, which was time-consuming and error-prone. Analysis of voluminous, tedious statements was impractical, and taxpayers had to run everywhere to collect their due credits. Refunds were delayed and grievances mounted. With limited manual processing capacity at the department and increasing tax base, there was a huge backlog of unprocessed returns. Logistics involved in manual processing of tax returns caused delays of more than a year. It was just one side of the coin. The other side is a tedious paper verification process where taxpayers would have to sign and send a one-page ITRV by post to Bengaluru. 25% of taxpayers omitted this paper step, and the other 75% expressed a lot of grief while getting this step done. Recognizing this fact, that tax directed at source, TDS, had multiple challenges both for the taxpayers and the department. The Income Tax Department since then had been working away on various strategies to phase out this paper-based step. The Gateway for E-Payment of Taxes and Tax Information Network has overcome these challenges. Over 2,300 front offices receive TDS statements in electronic format. Over 99% of TDS statements reporting over 600 million transactions are received electronically. But thanks to the inexorable efforts of the department and the government, there has been digitization at every level in the process, and that has brought in a revolutionary change. This transformation from the legacy processes is groundbreaking and marks a paradigm shift in the department's approach towards its taxpayers.
The government has been increasingly using technology for the advantage of all taxpayers who have to deal with the Income Tax Department. The centralized processing center has been set up at Bengaluru and is now effectively functional. All returns which are filed through the electronic medium are now processed in this center. The center has a capacity to process about 5 lakh returns in a day. Queries are being also addressed to assessees through email. Responses are being received on email, and except a very few cases, less than 1%, which go into scrutiny, the assessment orders are also now available through the electronic medium. Already about 3.6 crore returns have been processed through this medium, and 1.4 crore people, that is assessees, have been notified of their refunds, and their refunds have been given to them also using this very medium. Now, this has brought about a sea change in the functioning of the tax department. There is an electronic e-face. That means there is no physical face-to-face with the assessment officer. This has hugely increased the level of convenience. This eliminates malpractices and is extremely assessee-friendly. I compliment the Income Tax Department for this great achievement.
It clearly conveys that the collective efforts of government, Central Board of Direct Taxes and Income Tax Department are to provide a comfortable and convenient atmosphere for the taxpayers to file his or her returns. That is nothing but minimum government, maximum governance.
बहुत बहुत बधाई हो, आपने अपने बच्चों को पोलियो से बचा लिया। लेकिन जब तक दुनिया में पोलियो का एक भी केस है, पोलियो का खतरा बना हुआ है। इसीलिए अब सरकार देश में पोलियो इंजेक्शन की शुरुआत कर रही है, ताकि आपके बच्चे को मिले डबल सुरक्षा। अब अपने 1 साल से छोटे बच्चे को टीकाकरण सत्र में पोलियो की तीसरी खुराक के साथ जरूर दिलवाएं पोलियो का इंजेक्शन। क्यों राधा, इससे क्या होगा पता है ना?
हाँ दीदी, पोलियो से डबल सुरक्षा हमेशा के लिए।
याद रहे, पोलियो की तीसरी खुराक के साथ जरूर दिलवाएं पोलियो का इंजेक्शन।
अधिक जानकारी के लिए अपने पास के स्वास्थ्य केंद्र, ANM या आशा दीदी से संपर्क करें।
अस्पताल में गंदगी हो सकती है, कुछ छूना मत और बीमार पड़ जाओगी।
अरे दीदी, अब सब बदल रहा है।
इतनी साफ सफाई?
जी, हम सब ने मेहनत की है ताकि आपके इलाज में कोई कमी ना आए।
बदल रहा है, बदल रहे हैं। स्वास्थ्य केंद्र अब स्वच्छ हो रहे हैं और ये आपके ब्लॉक में भी संभव है। बस पहल करनी पड़ेगी, हमको और आपको भी। स्वच्छता का संकल्प करें, स्वास्थ्य केंद्र का कायाकल्प।
अरे वाह, हार तो बड़ा सुंदर है तुम्हारा। आर्टिफिशियल है क्या?
आर्टिफिशियल? असली सोने का है। ढेरों डिजाइन्स में से चूज किया है मैंने।
फिर तो BIS हॉलमार्क का निशान भी जरूर होगा। सिर्फ डिजाइन्स और चमक से नहीं, असली सोने का भरोसा होता है हॉलमार्क का निशान। क्योंकि सोना सिर्फ आभूषण नहीं है, ये है जिंदगी भर की पूंजी।
जागो ग्राहक जागो।
I fire hard and I fire strong. I like solving problems. Facing an enemy at a higher position is a problem. Being 2 points down is a problem. And the bigger the problem, the sweeter the victory. What do I like more? Going to battle or firing my pistol? I like the fact that I do both for India.
We are India's most exciting workplace and we are making you an offer. The Indian Army. Live a life less ordinary.
It is not just the role of the department that has been endeavoring on improving the tax payment system. Indeed, taxpayers also feel the responsibility to be the part of the tax structure that lead to the growth of the country. And with the simplified procedure of filing the returns, the response of the citizens of the country is extremely positive and encouraging.
अब हाल फिलहाल में इतना आसान हो गया है कि हमें घर बैठे मतलब हमारा सारा काम हो जाता है। घर पे हैं, ऑफिस में हैं या फ़ोन पे ही हैं, लैपटॉप में, कहीं भी बहुत आसान हो गया है। रिटर्न फाइल करना, रिटर्न जो भी हमारा रिफ़ंड आ रहा है उसको क्लेम करना बहुत ज़्यादा आसान हो चुका है। और मुझे सबसे जो अच्छी बात लगी वो ये लगी कि ये सारे काम में हम जितने सरकार के हमारे जितने भी रिसोर्स थे उसमें हम बहुत कुछ बचा रहे हैं, जो कि अंत में जाके मतलब देश के ही काम आने वाला है।
Actually, I'm a salaried individual working for Union Bank. This year I filed a return online for assessment year 15-16. The great part of the income tax return was after having my form 16 and a checkbook, the entire return filing process got just completed within 16 minutes to be precise. The form for filing return is ITR1, it is called as Sahas, and the name is very apt for it. I mean, without knowing F of finance, you can fill the return online, and all the tabs that you need to fill are self-explanatory.
The most important thing is that they're moving to the e-tax verification, which actually helped me to, we used to do the verification, we used to send the courier to the Bangalore and it used to come back after 60 days. Now it has just changed from just 1 hour. You have to do the verification if you have Aadhaar card and everything is registered online, you can do it very quickly. And this has made me somehow do the things on the time and get the results very quickly.
Earlier days we used to do all manually, and the return process used to be, process used to be pretty lengthy. So it used to take, I still remember maybe about 15 years back the first refund came to me after a year and a half. Today I could get my refund within let's say about 36 days, and my company's refund also within about 48 days. That shows that there has been a tremendous effort put by government and the departments to improve the process, thereby making people adapt to the system very easily. Because when with this technology adaptation, you are tempting or encouraging the people to use the technology to file the returns and don't miss out, and you can get the money refund very quickly.
India's journey with its taxes is fascinating as it unfolds, and we as a nation have gone completely electronic, eliminating paper for the first time in 2015. It has taken 8 years since the launch of e-filing process.
We have been making a lot of attempts to improve the tax assessment and to process the refund cases. We have got a state-of-art central processing unit in Bangalore which has been processing all the returns. Nowadays we are getting 90% of the income tax returns online, and it has become very easy for us to process these cases. This year we have been able to process about 3.27 crore cases so far in the first 9 months of the current year, and we have been able to expeditiously give refund in about 1.81 crore cases. The best part is that this year it was possible for us to give refund to people within 30 days of their filing return. In case of 1 crore 31 lakh cases, we have been able to give refund to the people within 30 days of their filing return, which is a record in itself. And we do hope that this effort of our department is appreciated by people. We would welcome people to give their suggestions to us in case if we are going wrong somewhere, and we are willing to change our systems in order to help the people.
E-filing offers convenience of time and place to taxpayers. This facility is available round the clock, and returns can be filed from any place in the world.
Indian IT department have recently introduced e-filing and e-verification of your ITR. This is a very good thing they have done and very user-friendly, and I have used this one for the last assessment year and found it very comfortable, and it was very easy. I request everyone to avail this facility and file the income tax returns. I compliment IT department for introducing this easy method.
I have submitted my income tax return, and within 6 days income tax was cleared, and in next 2 days the return was submitted and deposited into my account. So that is one of the site which has worked, government site which has worked beyond general people's expectation, आम आदमी की अपेक्षाओं और उम्मीदों से कहीं ज़्यादा बेहतर, तेज और उम्मीदों पे परिपक्वता से ऊपर आना इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट ने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से किया है.
Especially in the last 2 years, I have seen the filling of the data to be easiest I have ever encountered so far in my IT life, and the filing also has become pretty easy and very fast. Moreover, the income tax refunds that come out of that have also been done pretty seamlessly and with minimal effort from my side.
Satisfaction is the most important aspect in every walk of life. It is no different in the tax administration system. And in this groundbreaking change in the administration, Central Processing Center has a key role to play.
These days, it's important to have an updated resume. Here's mine. Praful Kumar, Major Praful Kumar, Para Special Forces. 3 years served in a hostile zone. Tough assignment. Special service in J&K. Made some friends there. Combat free-fall specialist. Willing to shed blood. As you can see, I wear my heart on my sleeve and my resume on my uniform. Which other company lets you do that?
We are India's most exciting workplace, and we are making you an offer. The Indian Army. Live a life less ordinary.
दो बूंद जिंदगी के, इन्हीं दो बूंदों ने इस देश को पोलियो से आजादी दिलाई। इन जैसे हजारों नायकों ने मीलों का सफर तय किया, हर बच्चे तक इन दो बूंदों को पहुंचाया। लेकिन देखिए, ये लड़ाई अभी खत्म नहीं हुई है। अभी भी भारत में बच्चों को पोलियो और अन्य बीमारियों के टीके लगवाने हैं, ताकि हमारे बच्चे स्वस्थ और खुशहाल जिंदगी जी सके।
21 फरवरी को अपने 5 साल तक के बच्चों को पोलियो की खुराक अवश्य पिलाएं।
दीदी ये देखो।
H1N1 फ्लू को फैलने से रोका जा सकता है। खांसी और छींक के बाद और बच्चे को छूने से पहले अपने हाथों को साबुन से धोकर H1N1 फ्लू को फैलने से रोक सकते हैं। इन्फेक्शन रोको, बनो हीरो। इलाज सिर्फ चुने हुए अस्पतालों में उपलब्ध।
I really like cars. So just 2 weeks into the job, they gave me a company car. A big company car. It's got 14 wheels and quite the ground clearance. It can go pretty much anywhere. But it's not the easiest thing to park. The acceleration is decent. The handling is shaky. The engine noise is deafening. AC? Well, you can't have everything. But you know what? I love the gun.
We are India's most exciting workplace, and we are making you an offer. The Indian Army. Live a life less ordinary.
CBDT initiated new technology-based measures in order to fully automate the e-filing system and also to end taxpayers' grievances with regard to their ITRV not reaching by post, which led to their returns getting rejected. Central Processing Center at Bengaluru is the hub of the complete return filing process.
You see, filing your return is the duty of every citizen. Because as per the Income Tax Act, if your income is above a threshold limit which has been specified, you are supposed to file your return of income and pay your taxes. So when we have expectations from the government that we will have better infrastructure, better facilities, then we have to contribute by paying our taxes so that government can achieve our expectations. Our aim is to provide back-to-back e-enabled taxpayer services. With online verification, पहले हम ITRV we used to take, which was, you had to sign and then send it to Bangalore. Sometimes this was not reaching on time, so there were a lot of issues. So now from this year, we did an online verification through Aadhaar and through OTP. And this has really helped the taxpayer because once his return is verified, he could get his refunds immediately because it got processed within a few days. So the department is looking not only in digitizing its services, but improving it. And every year we are coming with more and more new features to make tax filing, paying your taxes, getting rectifications done, easy and a simple process.
The Centralized Processing Center at Bengaluru, a project of the Income Tax Department for processing of tax returns, has been awarded ISO 9001 certificate by British Standards Institution, which is an international standard that specifies requirements for quality management system. Meanwhile, upgrading its services, the CPC has successfully processed over 70% of refunds within 30 days in this current financial year, which is a significant achievement. CPC hopes to further upgrade the service and reduce the time period to 15 days, which will provide a big relief to the taxpayers. Set up in 2009, this state-of-the-art facility CPC at Bengaluru has achieved several milestones and setting itself new standards in terms of delivery and speedy service.
The new financial accounting system and the complete digitization at the CPC has enhanced the compliance capabilities of the department to ensure smooth, fast and transparent delivery to the customer. This department is not only bringing smile on the faces of the taxpayers, but it is also acting as a bridge between the taxpayer and the tax assessee and bringing them closer.
The project envisaged benefits for the citizens as well as the Income Tax Department. For the citizens, reduction in compliance cost, taxpayer services in line with international best practices, empowerment through increased efficiency in discharging ITD's function, better and centralized access to information, accuracy and timely clearance of all demands and refunds due, and centralized system to address grievances and rectification requests, and its tracking are the major benefits. And this is not the only destination. On the other side, we have a TDS centralized processing cell at Ghaziabad in the National Capital Region, which also play a key role in clearing the existing distortions and shortcomings. Good quality service to taxpayers from these cells, in conjunction with a more compelling and effective compliance regime, has produced visually satisfactory tax outcomes. Tax deduction at source, TDS, is one of the means of collection of direct taxes. TDS constitutes nearly 40% of the direct tax collections. CPC TDS at Vaishali in Ghaziabad is a destination which has been conceptualized to ensure a seamless flow of data for tax credits. Therefore, a robust mechanism that ensures correct, reliable flow of data to the debts database and its collation on the basis of taxpayer identifier span prevents revenue leakage. This entire system works to minimize frauds and improve the filing of income tax returns and reporting of correct income.
तो पहले जब मैं ITR भरता था तो रिफ़ंड आने में ऑलमोस्ट 4 से 5 महीने फिर लग जाते थे और वो थोड़ा सा प्रोसेस भी कम्बरसम होता था. लेकिन फिर जो लास्ट ईयर से जब ये सरल आया है और जो ये एक्सेल का जो उसमें शीट होता है और उसमें एक जावा का एप्लीकेशन भी होता है, तो जो एक्सेल शीट होता है वो उसको भरना बहुत आसान होता है. और बेस्ट पार्ट ये था कि जो रिफ़ंड है वो 7 दिन के अंदर आ गया. मतलब इट वाज एब्सोल्युटली अनएक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम अ गवर्नमेंट मींस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. प्रॉपर SMS और ईमेल के थ्रू पूरा ट्रैकिंग हो रहा था, फिर एक्नॉलेजमेंट्स आ रहे थे, तो बहुत ही अच्छा था. और फिर जब मेरे बैंक अकाउंट में जब अमाउंट क्रेडिट हुआ तो मुझे उसका भी SMS आया.
2007 से मैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली अपने रिटर्न्स फाइल कर रहा हूँ. मेरे परिवार के मेंबर्स भी सभी इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली ही फाइल करते हैं. जहाँ तक रिफ़ंड की बात है, ये एक बहुत अच्छा प्रोविज़न किया है इनकम टैक्स ऑफिस ने कि इस साल तो आपका जो IVR रिटर्न है वो भी आप इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली फाइल कर सकते हैं, वेरीफाई कर सकते हैं. तो इस बार मेरे लड़के का 7 दिन में रिफ़ंड आया है. अदरवाइज़ पिछले जब से ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली ऑनलाइन फाइलिंग हुआ है तब से 2 महीने के अंदर अंदर सबका रिफंड आया है. कभी भी 2 महीने से ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ है.
इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट ने फाइलिंग का जो सॉफ्टवेयर ऑनलाइन डेवलप किया है, ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा कदम है. और थोड़ी सी कंप्यूटर की जानकारी रखने वाला व्यक्ति इसको बड़ी आसानी से अपनी ऑनलाइन रिटर्न फाइल कर सकता है. और सबसे बड़ी बात इसमें ये है देखने वाली कि आप अपना जो भी डाटा इसमें फीड करते हैं उसे सेव करके रख लीजिए और आप कभी भी करेक्ट कर लीजिए सबमिट करने से पहले. और रिफ़ंड भी बहुत जल्दी लोगों को मिल जाता है. मेरे खुद के केस में 1 हफ्ते के अंदर मेरे को रिफ़ंड मेरे अकाउंट में आ गया था. और मैंने अपने सभी कोलीग्स को और दोस्तों को और उनके डिपेंडेंट्स को इनकरेज किया फाइलिंग के लिए. और करीब 35 व्यक्तियों ने फाइलिंग मेरी असिस्टेंस के साथ की है.
Gone are those days when tax payment and collection of the refund dues process is a complex and intricate process. This is a generation where not just the people but also the government believes in less paperwork, productive time management, minimum government and maximum governance.